Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, the Alpha Crypto, where I talk about cryptocurrencies. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please make sure you hit the subscribe button, turn my bell post notification on, so that when I drop interesting content, you'll be among the first to see. Without wasting much of your time, in this particular video, I'll be teaching you how to change your Binance trade settings on your Binance app. That's your computer app, your PC app, right? So without wasting more time, let's go straight to the video tutorial. Now if I click on this place, this is the refresh button. From time to time, it's good to refresh your Binance app so that I can get real-time information. Then after refreshing your app, you just come to your settings. When you come to your settings, you come to your system setting. When you come to your system setting, you're going to see that under the system setting, you can come to trade preferences, right? Another way you can do this is you can just come here direct, trade preferences. It's the same thing, but when you come to your trade preferences, you look at this side that my mouse is pointing. I think your right side, you're going to see different layout, customized layout. We have the Binance Classic, we have the Binance Pro, and we have the Binance full screen. So this way, if you click on the Binance Classic, it's going to give you the classic layout. And the classic is like the popular one, the one that is often used on Binance. While we have the Binance Pro layout. The Binance Pro layout has more features. For example, you can turn on the market. You can turn on the market indicator, which is going to show, and then I'd rather switch it off. I don't use it. We have the Binance full screen. The full screen is also, it also has more features, like it's fuller. You're going to see real-time information. If you look at this place, you're going to see a lot of real-time information. You see the price movement, the graph for your technical analysis. If you place your order, this is where you're going to see it. This is where you buy and you sell. So basically, if you want to change your Binance layout, that's your trade layout, this is where you change it. And for the sake of this tutorial, normally I like leaving my in classic, so I'm going to return it back to classic. And guys, don't forget to smash the subscribe button, turn my bell post notification on. If you find my content interesting, bye for now, and I hope to see you in my next video. So which one should I use? Classic. Okay, I think this is okay. This is okay. So guys, that is it.